Good afternoon, traders. What a surprise. Netflix reports earnings up $84 in after hours. They beat 3.83 billion is where that came in. Not only that was up 12.5% year over year, the total came in ahead of street consensus estimates of 8.27 billion according to our data. Now, the company reported fourth quarter earnings of $2.11, which missed a street consensus estimate of $2.21. Netflix ended the fourth quarter with 260 million global part members, which was up 12.8% year over year. The company added exactly 13.2 million net paid subscribers in the fourth quarter. This is a 15-minute chart. When the news hit, we broke out. Sign up for that free 5-day trial. Tommy Trader walks you in the big gainers. That he'll do. You can see the gap right now at 17. It was as high as $22. Sign up for the turbooptiontrading.com. We just released a brand new website. Don't hesitate. Use the features, use the data. Let us coach you, let us power you, let us manage you.